Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm going to be playing a 1980 Gibson SG Custom through a Marshall 1987 reissue 35th anniversary head. We're going to be checking out the Stone Deaf Effects PDF2. It's kind of their flagship pedal that they initially came out with, the PDF1. This is the successor to that. It's quite rad. Let's check it out. So at the 2016 NAMM show, we all went there and met all the guys from Stone Deaf, checked out all their pedals, and I fell in love with not only their lineup, but all the dudes that work there are super awesome guys, super cool to talk to. They loved the fact that I had a flask of whiskey with me pretty much at all times, and that endears them to me. But their pedals are what I really loved. And the PDF2 is a successor to the original PDF1 that's used by like Nick Valenci and Josh Homme, and it's a super popular pedal. And this is the successor to that, and it has a couple of different things. It has a clean and dirty channel on it when it's on, which is fantastic. You can still use a lot of the EQ on its own when it's clean. Really livens things up. Similarly, you can use all of that on distortion as well with the impressive fuzz that's here. The thing I like about this fuzz is it's actually really clear. Even when you've got it really dirty, you can still hear a lot of the original note. It doesn't muddy up, even when you're on the darkest frequencies and the fattest settings. It just has a input, output, and an expression on the top, like all the Stone Deaf pedals do, which is fantastic. They have their own expression pedal you can check out, and runs on 9-volt DC power, and it's fantastic. Right here you've got bandwidth, which goes from fat to thin, so you can select a setting there as to what you want boosted. There's a frequency setting, the height setting, which sort of runs the noise floor that's in the pedal, and the gain knob. It's super straightforward, but fantastic pedal. We love all the guys over at Stone Deaf. We hope Luke really enjoyed all the riffs that we wrote for him, and we miss you guys. We hope to see you soon. Let's have a beer. Cheers. If you guys liked this video, you should subscribe to our channel and give us likes on Facebook and Instagram and all that stuff. And you should tell your family about it and share the video with everyone. Bye!